Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Mac's exact model identifier and firmware version so you know which patches are required. Next, back up everything with Time Machine and make a bootable clone. Do not skip this. Once done, download the macOS Big Sur installer and the compatible open core or dedicated patcher for your model, then format a 16 GB USB as GUID apps. Create the installer on USB now so you have a clean, bootable target for the patched install. Now you'll open the patcher tool and select your target model so it applies the right kernel patches and kexts. This is why the model check mattered. Then configure the open core EFI on the USB. Set the correct SMBIOS profile, remove drivers that conflict, and add the patched network and file system kexts. Make sure kernel patches are signed by the patcher and build the EFI. Once completed, test boot the USB on the unsupported Mac and confirm you reach the Big Sur. Boot from the patched USB and proceed with either a clean Big Sur install or an upgrade. Select the app's volume and follow the installer prompts. After installation, immediately run the post-install patcher on the new system to install the bootloader and finalize hardware patches like graphics, audio, and sleep. Once patches are applied, reboot into the patch system, then selectively re-enable protections like SIP if compatible. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit kernel panics, boot to safe mode, restore your backup, or reapply the exact model patches. The wrong SMBIOS or kext mismatch is the usual cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.